making a video.
So we got Aris here writing.
Yep, it's a Otis. I'm thinking it's a Gen 2.
Okay, you gotta follow it. He thinks it's a Gen 2. It's the big elevator. The buttons were there. What happened?
Oh,
He's anxious as always. Also, we're going up, so then we gotta go. We're going down, so then we gotta go up.
oh, why we're going down?
I don't know, but then you gotta go up now. Look for the. He's gonna go to the 15th, 17th floor. Lord, I don't like heights, but he's gonna go. Oh Lord, this elevator's fast. Oh Lord.
Come on, Ari, talk. It's your video.
Hi.
Hi.
It's a Otis Gen 2 elevator.
Yes.
Capacity, I think, 5,000 pounds. There are the buttons. They're Otis touch.
It's the Bully channel. We thank everybody that watches this channel and helps Adi. Okay, Adi, more people coming, buddy. So where we going? What floor were we on?
We're 17. We're going to Maine.
So we're going to Maine. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Maine. Then we're gonna take the other elevator to go down to the parking garage.
Yep.
Correct?
Yeah, it's fast.
And what elevator is this? What's the brand?
It's an Otis.
So it's an Otis, and it's very, very fast. It got like lights, maybe
Oh,
stars.
stop online.
Okay, somebody's coming in, so you gotta wait. So they can push the button.
You're going to first?
Nope, they're going to 8.
Oh,
All right,
here we go to 8.
we're going down. Ooh, wee, they got some brake. How does it brakes like that, Adi?
It's a traction.
I found capacity is 4,500.
Oh, 4,500 pounds.
Okay?
Yep,
Wow,
4,500
that thing is fast. You could feel that pressure.
I don't see what it says,
And-
what kind of
and then-
elevator it
It's
is.
an Otis.
You know for
He
sure?
said it's the Otis. He knows his elevator. Okay, we out. All right, Aris, you ready?
Else is in the-
Aris has finished on his Otis.
It's a traction.
So, hi. So we're gonna follow him. So we're going to the other elevators in the garage. We were checking Aris' eyes. Aris is blind
It's an
and
Otis
autistic.
also.
And
As
because
you know.
he behaved,
Now we're going to the other elevators.
we're going down.
We need to go. Yeah, we're going down. Is that? It's down.
That goes up, I think.
What do you mean? No, this was down.
Oh, I don't
This
know.
one too. All right, go. Come on. Okay, people. So we're gonna let you go. Aris is going down now.
Oh,
What,
wait,
what elevator is this? B2.
Otis also.
So this is a Otis, he says. All right. Well, we'll see you. We hope you enjoy this quick video on
This
his.
is
this one is-
4,000 capacity.
I'm going to the 17th floor. Go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
And we're here in the garage now.
All right.
Nobody wants to see Aris
We're in
in the garage.
B2.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Nobody
All right.
wants to see Aris
Bye.
in the garage. I forgot
Bye,
the
everybody.
part in the
Aris.
doctor
Oh.
information.
Aris is done.